Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So jumping right in, this time my hair is looking a little dry, a little dull, like it needs some life. So we're gonna change that really quickly. So first things first, I get my hair wet. I make sure my entire head is saturated so that I can go ahead and start shampooing my hair. So for the shampoo, I'm gonna use the Garnier Whole Blends, the honey one, the yellow honey one. So for the shampoo, for the first shampoo, I start with my scalp. I put some in my scalp and I rub that in. I get a nice massage because it just helps to stimulate hair growth, and also just makes me feel like my hair, I'm scrubbing in all that. I'm getting all the dirt, any buildup that I might have like accumulated throughout the entire time that it's been since I washed my hair. I want to get all of that stuff out. So once I finish with that, then I go ahead and I rinse my hair. And when I'm rinsing my hair, I spend like a little extra time under the water just to get everything out. And then I go ahead and I squeeze the body of my hair for any extra water that I might have in there. And then afterwards, for the second shampoo, I go a little bit extra. I put like a little bit more. So I put in my scalp as well as some of the body of my hair. And I scrub that in as well. Get anything that I might have missed on the first round. Make sure I clean it nice, very thoroughly, so that none of my locks have any dirt buildup, none of that stuff. I try to get as much out as I can. And I spend a little bit extra time just squeezing it together and scrubbing my scalp and get all of that stuff out. And then afterwards, I go ahead and I rinse that out. And just like the first time when I'm rinsing it out, I spend a little bit of extra time just to make sure I get everything out of my hair, because because we have locks, you don't want to leave anything in there because buildup and all that stuff. So I spend extra time just to make sure I get everything out of my hair. And then of course, like I said, once I finish, I go ahead and I squeeze the body of my hair for any excess water. So for the conditioner, I'm going to use the one from the same line, the Garnier Whole Blend, the honey conditioner one. So I don't use too much. I use just like about a handful. So for the conditioner, I start from the tips and I make my way up and I just rake it through my hair. I try not to go all the way up to the roots. I just go like about halfway through just to get my hair nice and soft, because you don't want it to be in the roots anyway. I kind of like got some there by mistake, but usually I just rake it from the tips and I go about halfway through. And you can see like my curls do look a lot better after using the conditioner. So then I rinse it out. And for this one, just like before, I also make sure I spend even more extra time getting the conditioner out of my hair, because it is conditioner. It is so much thicker. So when you have locks and use that, just make sure you take the time out to rinse out all of the conditioner from your hair, because if you don't, you're going to have buildup, and we do not want that. So please just take the time to rinse out the conditioner from your hair. Even if you think you're done, you're not done. Rinse it some more just to make sure you don't have anything left in there. So then once I finish doing that, again, I just squeeze the body of my hair for any water that I might have in there. And as you can see, my curls look so much better. They look fresh. They look clean. Look at that. Look at that. Anyways, that is pretty much it for the wash part of this video. Look how clean my hair looks. Right, so I pretty much just wrapped it up in like this old t-shirt that I have, and I'm gonna let it down now, and I'm gonna do the very next step. Oh, let me just, all right, so this is how it's looking. It's still not fully dry, still like a little damp, but this is pretty much how the hair is looking. All right, so basically, if I'm not going to retwist my hair, I just oil and then I brush. So I take my oil here. This is my Africa's Best herb oil that I always use, but I put it in this bottle instead, and I just oil my scalp. So after I oil my scalp, I just take some oil, put it in the palm of my hands, and rub it together, and I put it on the actual body of my hair so that the hair itself isn't dry. And then once I finish oiling my hair, I just take a regular brush and I just brush my locks. So that's pretty much it. And from this, I pretty much just style, or I just leave it down, or it just depends on how I feel that day. But as far as my wash and no retwist, that is my routine. That's pretty much all I do. If I didn't just wash my hair, I would put leave-in conditioner, but since I just did all of that, I didn't want to put that just to not have, you know, too much buildup on the hair. But probably like during the week when I like do my another oil, then I'll do oil and leave-in conditioner and then brush again. But for today, that is pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.